Right, welcome. Welcome as usual from wherever you are in the world. Right, this is just another review. So, just to explain to you about this business opportunity, which pays you for positioning yourself to be in business for yourself online and do business with others online. So, introducing others to business opportunities such as this is how you will make money. So the term making money online simply means using the internet, such as social media, Google search engines, using the internet to reach others to be able to earn a payment. So just like you can go outside and contact people, now you can use the internet and contact people the same way. So that is just what the term making money online is, to be able to build relationship with others, teach others what and exchange skills with one another. And in exchange for profits. So I have a business opportunity available for you here that lots of people from around the world are joining, and I will play an audio or video, I should say, and there are other people, other leaders out there, doing reviews such as this, such as Michael Stamper. So I'm gonna play a review by Michael Stamper and letting you know a bit more about this business opportunity, and just for you to do your own due diligence, do your own research, and basically join myself and know that, when you join business opportunities such as this, you will need a coach or someone to guide you, be alongside you, so you don't have to have too much information overload. You can have someone to hold your hand. So we can communicate through email or text, phone. So contact me anytime. So I'm Al, by the way, and I'm also involved with this business opportunity. So have a listen and see if this sounds good for you.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Mike, Simple Freedom with Mike. Thanks for opting in today. $25 one-up, guys. I'm telling you, I've been looking for a one-up type of business that I can feel proud to promote. I used to be in one called Envializer, and Envializer was a great company, a great program, great system, whatever you want to call it. But then the owner kind of let it die, and it's a shame because it was a great program. It was a great one-up compensation plan. But with them, you had to wait till your second sell. See, what happened with them was you passed up your first sell to your sponsor, and then you were qualified. And then your second sell, you would keep, and so on and so on and so on. Let me go through what, if you don't know what a reverse one-up is real quick, let me explain it real quick before we go into anything else. I'm going to try to make this quick because I don't have a lot of battery, and I'm doing this on my phone.
Right. So right now you're going to learn what is a reverse one up, and this is a reverse one up compensation plan explanation. So compensation plan is how you get paid, and so here, listen to the compensation plan of a reverse one up compensation plan.
Boom. A reverse one-up works like this. You're going to keep your very first sell, whether they come in at the gold level, which is a $25, or the platinum level at the $100. Key, you must own the package to earn the commission. So I'm at the gold level right now. I'm at the $25 level. So I can earn 100% $25 commissions instantly going to my PayPal account when somebody purchases that gold level. Same with the
Right. I hope you heard that clear. So if you have a PayPal account, that'll be one of the ways you will be getting paid, for simply introducing others to this business opportunity, where they have a reverse one-up compensation plan. This business opportunity simply, well, this video review will explain to you a bit more. I'm just talking a bit too much, but yes, this business opportunity just allows you to learn the skills needed to build any business online, and the difference between going to learn it elsewhere, such as YouTube or on Google, the reason why you should join us here and learn it is that for every other individuals you also introduce to learn with us, you simply get paid, So let me just carry on with the video.
Platinum level. If I was on the platinum level, I had, and I paid for it, and they purchased that as well, I earn $125 commission. But with the gold, you just get 25, which is fine. Start small, work your way up.
Right. So he just explained, when you join, you earn, when you join me, for example, I will earn $25, and, that's just how when people join you, the first person who joins you, you earn $25, So there's a $25 level and there's a $100 level. So when you join on the $25 level, so when you join this opportunity, the first level you will be able to join on is the gold membership, which is $25, So I'm on the $25. So you join me on the $25 and just build your business, and then you can straight away pay for $100 and be on the $100 level. And what's it called? Everyone who joins you on that level, you get instant $100 payment. With them also joining you on the $25 level at the beginning, that's a total of $125. So let me carry on with the video. I could say so much. I'm so excited, and I just want you to just be excited of how you can. I have no idea what's wrong with my voice right now. I am so excited, but just for you to be able to position yourself online and have a business, a system like this, a franchise, you could say, digital opportunity, whereby you introduce others and just let the business run itself, and you simply get paid, have as many eyeballs to this business opportunity once you join. This is what you will learn. One of the skills you will learn, how to get yourself across out there, and especially using the internet. So let me carry on with the video.
Let's see where the power is. So you keep the first cell, right? You're going to keep that. Your first cell is yours. You got your money back. If you came in both levels, you got your money back. Came in at the gold level, 25, you got your money back. Great. You have broke even now. This is where the magic happens. Your second cell passes up to your sponsor. Now you might be thinking, Mike, I don't want to pass up any cells. Well, guys, you're really not. Because think about this. With a reverse one-up compensation plan, when you pass up your second cell to your sponsor, you were qualified for life. What happens after that? That's where the magic comes in. Every person that you bring in to $25 one-up has to pass up their second cell to you. And then that...
Right. Did you just hear that, or did you just get that? So you qualify by passing up your second team member to me. So the second person you introduce to this opportunity will come to my team, and I earn that $25. Now you do not have to worry about that happening. From the third person onwards, you keep $25 over and over. Now remember, from the first person you introduce, you earn $25. You broke even, as you heard. You got your money back, basically. The second person you introduce comes to me, and you are qualified now to have the same happen for you. From the third person, you earn your $25, fourth, fifth, and to infinity. So only the second person you pass up. You do not have to worry. So now the same happens for you. Everybody that joins you will also pass up their second team member to you. And that person being passed up to you will do the same and pass up the second team member to you. And that same person, without you doing anything, will also go out there, earn their money back, find their second team member passed up to you. So you see how people will join you automatically, from maybe just one person, two people. So how many people will you invite to not only pay you $25, but the second person they introduce will also pay you $25. And that person will also have to have a second team member pass to you who will pay you $25. And that person, you know what I mean? So how many people would you like to personally introduce and have a chain of people from there, just passing you up $25? Let's carry on with the video.
Person has to pass up their second cell to you. And then that person has to pass up their second cell to you. And it keeps on going for infinity. You can have unlimited pass-ups, unlimited amounts of streams of cash coming to you just from a one-up compensation plan. And you pay $25, or if you get both packages, you pay $125. You're in profit. You're in profit. I mean, with the pass-ups, that's why I love a one-up compensation plan. Work with your team, get them qualified, because you're going to earn that residual commission on their second shell. So this is a residual income opportunity. So quick, I'm going to explain.
Right. So residual income, you basically put in the work once, we should say, you put in the work by building your team, coaching others, you bring in as much as 30, 60, 100 people, you bring 2 people, you bring 3, 5, 10 people a day, however many people you bring to this opportunity, you just simply, teach them the same way you're going about getting other people. Now, I use the internet, that's what I specialize in, and I could teach you how you could position yourself on Google, on YouTube, how to have blogs, and how to just use the internet, Instagram, social media, just to get people to you, just as you probably saw this through social media and watching it on YouTube. You don't have to do videos such as this, but it's just to let you know that there are ways for you to work smarter for yourselves, and earn passive and residual income. So I have a link below this video, which will take you to this same system, where you will pay $25. You will pay a hosting fee of $10 also. So a total payment of $35, to get started.
What $25 one-up is. It's a marketing system, guys. Once you get into the back office, it's going to look like this, obviously. You're going to want to do, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your profile, right? Set it up, get everything where you want to get paid, awesome, email, all that good stuff in your profile. Then you want to purchase the gold level. Purchasing the gold level, you just click here, right? And it might take a minute because this is a little slow. So choose your plan now and get started. So what happens is you're going to come down here and you're going to pay me $25 one time.
So just as Michael is getting his team members, the same way I'm introduce others to pay me one time, So you will pay me, introduce others that will also pay you one time. So this is how the same, this is what you're doing is no difference to what I'm doing, or what you will be doing, I should say, is no difference to what I'm doing or this video presenter is doing. You're simply here to join this opportunity, pay your one-time fee, and have others pay their one-time fee also. You're simply here to get paid and earn while you learn. It's a marketing system.
Goes directly to me. I have PayPal set up. That goes directly to me. So you would purchase your gold level. That is done. You go back, and if you want to, I'm still going, sorry about that. If you want to, you can then purchase your platinum level. It's totally 100% up to you. But guys, you're going to receive a lot of training with this. Let me go back real quick and show you some of the training you'll get just with the gold level coming in.
So basically, you will buy the gold level, I will get a payment of $25, and now your position.